Hello, I'm Hakizajira RT Patrick, instructor in welding in IPRC Kigali. Yeah, last time we studied to the rolling development folding in the drawing. You remember we saw the three types of development. The first type is the parallel development. The second is the radial development. The third is the development by using triangulation. Yeah. Today we are focused to the parallel line development. Remember, in the parallel development is from the cylinder. The cylinder, it has the height. Cylinder has the base. It means that the base is cycle. When the cycle has the diameter and the radius. Remember the cycle, when you develop the cycle, we develop the circumference. When we do the development, we draw the height of the cylinder, then we draw the base also. The base is, remember, is the cycle, but in the view, we see the diameter only. Then on down, remember on down, we draw the cycle. Then we divide that cycle in the 12 equal parts by using the compass. It means that we divide in the circumference. This is the circumference on these 12 parts. We divide also in the circumference. We allonge or we duplicate on this circumference. For today, we do the implementation of that lesson. For one of that rectangle is the template. We do the template. Then the template we can do the implementation on the duplicate on the sheet when we want to use the sheet. Today we are studying the practicals of those. In the rolling we have this, but in the rolling we have different type of the rolling machine. This rolling machine is classified according the power use. It is classified according the type of the roller. Yes, classifying according the type of the roller, but even this machine can need the energy for the performing this work. Just you can use the three types of the energy. You can use the manual rolling machine. You can use the electrical rolling machine and the hydraulic rolling machine. Also, there's sometimes we are combined. Either manual, part is the manual, other part are the rolling, the electrical, other part is the hydraulic. We see in the practicals. Yeah. The other classification according to the number and arrangement of the roller, we have 2 high rolling, 3 high roller, 4 roller. It's according to the number of the roller. We have 2 rollers, 3 rollers, 4 rollers. There's a type we call tandem rollers machine, other class rolling machine. Yeah, here we have the different machine, but today we can use 2 types of the machine. Just you can start the machine which use the energy for the manual energy. In this machine, it has the 3 rollers. Remember the arrangement of the rollers? You have the 3 rollers. This 1, 2, and 3. I feel that everyone see this machine. This machine have the mechanism of the rolling. First mechanism is the mechanism. This roller, up roller, this roller, it's used to hold or drive the workpiece. We use this lock. Then when you put the workpiece, we lock. Or when we finish unlock, then we move workpiece. Just we do the practicals in this machine. Here we have the handle. This is the handle using for driving. When we do the roller, Just this machine have this handle is immovable because you can use this in this part and this and here. Here we have the locker and on the key. Here we have the keyway. You can join completely. Then you drive. Here the roller goes slowly, and here when you put here go fast. Everyone can ask the difference between this, why this go slowly, there go fast. It means when we use this, part, it means when we need to roll the the thickness, where the sheet has the big thickness, go slowly. When you have the big thickness, go slowly. When you use this, when you have the sheet has the small thickness, go fast, there is no problem. Remember, in the speed, when we need the speed, and we need, here we need the speed, on here we need the torque, because we have the thickness has big thickness. Just have other this is the other handle, and this handle is using for to hold a workpiece. Do you see the movement of this roller? This can use for the increasing the. This is used for increasing the height, or reducing the arc, or reducing the circumference of the arc for the arc. Then here we have other for using in the holding. Just can move this for. Here we have the shaft. Look here. The distance from here to there is the difference. These have the like a slope. When you move this inside, you can push this roller to go up. Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? Look here. Do you see? Do you see? This roller is using for the holding the workpiece. Also, this is can go for using for increasing the height this roller. Then you can do the practicals. Here can put this is the sheet metal, or like our workpiece we get when we use the template. It's depend according the circumference we need. It depend get according the height. Remember, this is the height of our cylinder. This is the circumference of our cylinder. This can the load this workpiece. We put on the rolling machine. Remember, we can aligning this. When you do any inclination, we don't get the performing the good product. We remember to align our workpiece. Then, as I say, look here on holding here. Then distance between this roller, up roller and the down roller, is reduced. Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? This part, this holding is go inside, then the distance is reduced. This you have this the thickness of the 1.2. It's so small. You can use here for go fast. This is the loading. But here we need to load the one part like this. When we need, can remove this workpiece and put other workpiece. We need to load completely. Well, for removing this product, we do like this, then we move our product. When we need to load completely or cylinder, can hold a workpiece also. Yes. Yes, we can increase the roller small. This can start to the like arc. Yes, we get the end arc. When we need the semicircle, that they don't reach to the complete circle. We do the end arc, close the arc, or the closed, can get open arc or get the closed arc. And aligning our sheet. We need to get the full circle, not reach to the full circle. Yes, when we need to remove our product, our final product, we can unlock our roller. Then we get a product. This is the full circle. I think that everyone here, you see, our purpose is to get the circle. Yes? This, we get the cylindrical. This is the rolling by using manually. When you finish to use the first machine, you can put the machine in normal condition. As I say, you have the many type of the loading machine. It's according to use the different energy, and it depends according the number of the roller and the arrangement of the rollers. Just we go other step. This is the manual rolling machine, has the different part, like the rollers, like the handle for driving our sheet, even the handle for using in the moving the roller need to increase the degree of the circle. Here we have other handle need using in the holding the workpiece by using the down roller. Right now we go to the other machine. This is the machine, has the 4 rollers This machine is the loading machine, but have the assist of the hydraulic and assist of the electrical.